How to change Wix Blog fonts. So what we want to do is log in into our Wix account and open up the editor by clicking on Edit Site. Now the editor will load up your website and it's going to be on the home page. So the first thing that we want to do is click on here on the home page, and we want to go to our blog page if we already have created a blog page. Now it's going to look like this. We want to click on our blog section here. So there are different sections. So if we click on our blog section, you will be able to see if you have successfully selected the blog section, it should say blog right above here. And what we want to do is we want to click on settings and it will load up a new page here. Then we want to go to design and we will go to posts. Now from here, from the posts, we can select the different fonts for titles and for descriptions. So for example, here, title, style, and color. If I click on this drop down arrow, it will show me a list of the fonts here, and I can choose a different font. As you can see, this changes my titles font. And if I want to change the main font on my blog page on Wix, I will click on this drop arrow here, and I can select another font like so. And as you can see, that changes it. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.